Hi there, please like and subscribe. Top Start. Top settings. Accounts. Outlook. Things settings. Automatically sync and download your email and attachments. Days of email to sync. 90 days, 60 days, 45 days, 15 days, 7 days, custom. Data download time varies due to network and the data size. The number of message downloads may be limited. And include the settings. Yes. All settings with things set will be restored to default. Please like and subscribe.